Hey guys, welcome back to Aroma in the kitchen. Today's recipe which I'm going to show you is Ven Pongal. It's made from rice and lentil. Let's get started. The ingredients which we need are 1 cup raw rice, half a cup of moong dal, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, some salt, 3 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, 3.5 to 4 cups of water. For tempering we need 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, some curry leaves, handful of cashews, half tablespoon of whole pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast the dal until it is slightly fragrant. Soak rice and dal for 5 minutes. Add rice and dal to the pressure cooker and add 4 cups of water and salt. Cook the rice till it becomes very soft. Heat clarified butter or ghee. Add pepper, cashew, ginger, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Let it splutter and mix this with the rice and lentil and serve hot. You can serve this with sambar and coconut chutney. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video with a new recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.